3 Lesson 1 Instructions in Student Materials. Phrases to learn. Work in pairs. Work in a group. Work in groups of 3. Work with your partner. Work with a partner. Work with a classmate. Check your answer with a partner. Check the following words in your dictionary. Ask your partner about his or her family. Ask your partner about your classmates. Ask your classmates questions about her family. Fill in the blanks using the new vocabulary. Fill in the chart using the new vocabulary. Fill in the missing letters using the new vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with the new vocabulary. Fill in the blanks using the chart. Practice the dialogue. Practice the conversation. Practice saying the vocabulary. Practice giving the date. Practice saying the words with a partner. Give example. Give instructions. Give each paragraph a title. Draw a picture in your notebook. Draw lines in your notebook. Underline the vocabulary. Underline the verbs. Underline the sentences. Underline the correct word. Circle the correct verb. Circle the alternative. Match the question with the answers. Match the word with the answers. Match the vocabulary with the answers. Match the question with the pictures. Match the question with the definitions. Match the vocabulary with the definitions. Answers the question. Answers true or false. Answers yes or no. Answers with the complete sentences. Answers with your own information. Choose one of the following activities. Choose an alternative. Choose words from the table. Use the vocabulary to write sentences. Use the information to answer the questions. Use the chart to answer the question. Repeat the sentences. Repeat the names. Repeat the instructions. Repeat the conversations. Guess the word. Guess the animal. Guess the name of the person. Take turns reading the dialogue. Take turns writing the words. Take turns talking about your family. Take turns reading the text. Take notes about your partner. Take notes on the reading. Take notes on your partner's family. Tell your partner about your family. Tell the class about your family. Tell your classmates about your family. Tell your partner about your photo. Tell your partner about your weekend. Unit 4, Lesson 1 Understanding and Communicating Lesson Goals. Pieces to learn. Reviewing from the previous class, let's review yesterday's lesson. Let's review this word. Let's review today's lesson. Let's review what you learned. What did we do yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? Who can tell me what we talked about yesterday? Who remembers what we talked about last class? Are there any questions? Are there any questions about ordering food? Next, sequencing lesson goals continued. In this lesson, you are going to study words about the house. In this lesson, you are going to work on talking about houses. First, we are going to review the vocabulary. Then, we are going to practice the past tense. Next, we are going to read a story about Tommy's house. Finally, we will write sentences. Finally, we will read a story. Next, sequencing lesson goals. Today, we are going to continue our lesson. Today, we are going to do a project. Today, we will continue learning words for room in a house. Today, we will read a story. Today, we will play a game. Next, summarizing the day's lesson. What did we learn today? I want to go over what we learned today? Let's review what we learned today. Today we talk about word for rooms. Let's look at the vocabulary again. Is living room one word or two? Please name the room where food is prepared. A chair is a type of furniture. Unit 4, Lesson 2. Engaging students in the topic. Research to learn. Think about animals in a zoo. Think about animals in Africa. What do you know about you animals? What word do you know? What animals do you know? Can you tell me other animals? Can you tell me about the zoo? Have you ever seen a lion? Have you ever gone to a zoo? Did you ever see a panda bear? Did you ever go to a farm? Look at the picture. What do you see? Unit 4, Lesson 3. Explaining lesson context. Phrases to learn. This is a banana. This is an orange. That is an apple. That is a table. A banana is a fruit. Apples are fruits. Carrots are vegetables. It is a fruit. It is red. It has seeds. It has a stem. They are forks. This means small. This is how you end a sentence. You use this to talk about the future. We say is sleeping when we talk about what is happening now. We use at after a verb when we talk about the past. When we want to say you are welcome, we say don't mention it. Look at the picture. What is happening? Try adding in. What is the boy in the tree doing? I will study. This means that I'm going to do it in the future, not now. How many bananas do you see in these pictures? Why does this say it at the end? This is how you form the past tense. Unit 4, Lesson 4. Modeling and giving example. Phrases to learn. Please repeat after me. Class, please repeat the example after me. Please read the sentences. Please read to the words. Please read the dialogue. Please listen to the example. Please listen to the example of the past tense. Here's an example. Here is an example of a preposition. Let me give you an example of a preposition. Look at these examples on the board. Jack, please read the example. Let's watch Annie and Jack. Let's review yesterday's lesson on preposition. Today, we are going to use the word can. Let me give you an example. I can swim. Can you write the example? Here's another example. I can ride a bicycle. Unit 4, Lesson 5. Asking for and writing student example. Phrases to learn. Give me an example of part of your morning routine. Give me an example of a greeting. Give me another example of an occupation. Can you think of an example of a preposition? Can you think of another example of a fruit? Who can give an example of an adjective? Who can give another example of an animal? Who can give another example of a verb? No. We are going to talk about what you do in the morning. Unit 4, Lesson 6. Giving activity instruction A. Phrases to learn. Look at the pictures. Look at the list. Work with a partner. Give information. Give example. Play a game in pairs. Play in teams. Think about your family. Think about an object. Guess the word. Guess the name. Take turns to read the paragraph. Take turns to read the word. Draw your ideas. Draw a picture of your classroom. Circle the correct word. Circle the verb. Find a student. Find a classmate. Check your paper with a partner. Check your ideas with a partner. Choose a title for the article. Choose an object. Match the question and answers. Match the sentences to the people. Practice saying the description. Practice giving the date. Use your notes to write a paragraph. Use the picture to write a paragraph. You have 10 minutes. Can you write the instruction, please? We need more time. You can have 5 more minutes. When you finish, use the information in the paragraph to answer this question. Walk alone to complete them. Unit 4, Lesson 7. Giving activities instruction B. Phrases to learn. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the description. Listen and repeat. Read about the family. Read about the sport. Read the description. Read the text. Read and answer the question. Read and draw a picture. Answer the question in complete sentences. Answer yes or no. Repeat the sentences. Repeat the instruction. Underline the verbs. Fill in the blanks. Tell your classmates. Say the word. Say the letters. Ask your partner. In pairs, talk about your family. Talk to your partner about yourself. Discuss the following question. Discuss the answers. Write a description. Write a list. Rewrite the paragraph. In your notebook, write sentences about the picture. Now, we are going to listen to descriptions of different spots around the world. Listen to the information. Then, fill in the blanks. Can we listen again, please? Your partner the question in the book about sport. Then, discuss your favorite sport with your partner. Unit 4, Lesson 8. Organizing studies. Phrases to learn. Please work by yourself. Please work alone. Find a partner. Work with a partner. Pair up. You can work together. You can work in pairs. You have to get into groups of 3. Work in group of 3. Count off by 2. Count off by 3s. Sarah, please work with Paul. Sarah and Paul work together. Please sit in a circle. Sit side by side. Face the board. Face each other. Take turns reading the dialogue. You have 5 more minutes. You have until 9 to finish this activity. Paul, you are E. Sarah, you are B. This half of the class in A. This half is B. Okay, let's check. Who is A? Today, we are going to read a conversation. Can we work together? Can I work alone? How much time do we have?